So if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. And if you are new into my channel, please be my virtual family. And to those who are my family already here in YouTube, welcome back. So, it's summer season. So summer season is approaching. Normally we have friends coming over for barbecue and for dinner or for just a drink, for afternoon drink. Why not? So I prepare something, a seasonal fruit, a cocktail here for you guys. Maybe you can learn something from it and you can show to your friends that, yeah, I made it. Why not? Yeah? So I am going to make a peach cocktail and we also have to garnish it. Okay, let's do that. So what are we gonna do? What we need? Yeah? What we need is we have peaches. Of course, we're going to make peach. So it makes sense. We need peaches. And we have some glasses here. Bling, bling, bling. Bling, bling, bling. And we also have some garnish plant here and also raspberry for garnish and some cherries if you like. It's your choice, okay? And what we need is this. We need this one. And some, we're gonna stir it. I'll show you guys, of course. So, okay, let's do it. Let's start. So we have our ingredients here for our cocktail. I have peach, it's peeled, and ideally I would recommend the soft peach. So it's, this is the sweetness of the peach that you have, of course. And of course, the white wine. So I have elderflower syrup here as well. So yeah, that's all we need. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the side. Okay. Alright. Let's bring it on. You have peach puree, yeah, the fresh peach puree. Okay, like this. Then we're gonna mix it here. So. Puree. And we're gonna open the wine. Oh yeah, there you go. Smells good. Good. It's very nice. Okay. Ideally, the wine has to be cold first, or otherwise you can also put some ice. But yeah, for me the wine was cold. Okay. You did a good stir. you like cherry, you can also put. Okay, and we have this leaves here. Ooh. Why we do this? So every time they sipped in, you can smell it. Like, there you go. Good deal for you. It's very easy, simple and easy, and you don't need so much. You know, just wine, and if you have the sweet wine and the peach, you're good to go. Okay, so yeah, we'll just give it a try. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. So you can have friends over and cheers. So now I am drinking for myself. It's good for summer. It's really good. Yeah, so that's it. It's Gabby here, and hopefully you have something new and you put good use in you put your fruits in your backyard, or it's cheap nowadays, yeah, because it's seasonal fruit. So if you liked it, just give it a try. And if you like a little bit of wine and put it in a different twist, just give it a try. Why not? So hopefully you learned something new, and we'll see you again in my next video. This is Gabby here, and I thank you so much for joining.